So today I'm going to talk about Lakmé 9 to 5 Mattifying Moisturizer. I have been receiving a lot of requests from you all on my social media platforms to review this product. So I have been testing it out for almost 2 weeks now, and I thought I'll share my experience with you all today. So Lakmé launched this moisturizer I think somewhere around last month. Here is the tub. It is a plastic jar, and I really like the combination of white and green. It looks very soothing to the eyes. I don't know if this matters to you guys, but it does matter to me. And you are getting 50 grams of product for rupees 349. Our skin goes through a lot of stress because of our hectic lifestyle, because of other triggers like pollution, stress, and a lot of us skip moisturizers because we think it makes our skin greasy, oily. So the matte formula of Lakmé's moisturizer is very good in controlling oil. It gives you 12 hours oil control. It doesn't make your skin greasy. The formula is very lightweight. It almost feels like a gel that just disappears into your skin. It also has pure green tea extracts, which you guys already know is rich in antioxidants. It also has witch hazel extracts. It feels very soothing on the skin. It feels calming on the skin. And when you gently massage it into your skin, it just absorbs and vanishes into the skin. It doesn't let it feel dry, but at the same time, it doesn't make it greasy at all. As you can see, it's already gone. So this is a perfect moisturizer for people with combination oily skin or those who do not like heavy duty, thicker greasy moisturizers during the day. I personally really like how it smells. It has this very soothing, very calming fragrance, which is not overpowering at all. So right now we all are wearing masks. A lot of time what happens, the moisturizer just transfers onto your mask and make it all oily and greasy from the inside, but this doesn't happen with Lakmé 9 to 5 Matte Moist Moisturizer. It gives you a very nice matte finish, so it doesn't transfer on your mask. This moisturizer also reduces the size of your pores visibly. So I also like to apply it before I do my makeup because it is mattifying, but it is not drying. It is very hydrating. So it gives my skin enough hydration, and then makeup goes on really smoothly on top of it because of its matte finish. You can read the entire ingredient list, like complete ingredient list on the box here. And I can also see niacinamide, which is one of my favorite skincare ingredients because it brightens up your skin. So I'm going to leave a link to purchase Lakmé Matte Moist Moisturizer in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.